Timing is the most important thing when you're actually sending a cold outreach campaign. You have to choose the right time to send email to your right prospect to get higher open rate, more reply, good to book more meeting. When you are creating a cold outreach campaign, such things are really important. But doing things manually, it's quite impossible. You can't go to your every single campaign all the time and send your email to the prospect at the right time when your prospect is actually hyperactive. But you can do such thing automated with Doplac.com. How to do it? When you are designing your cold outreach campaign, after sequence, setting, and just here it is, under the schedule and publish, you can choose all the things. Make sure when you are actually sending your cold outreach campaign, as I mentioned earlier, that choosing the right time, it's really important, and you have to choose a right amount of time between every single email to get more reply rate. Otherwise, it's gonna land more in inbox and harm your deliverability. So if you want to choose the right time based on your prospect, and click on just schedule and published, and here it is, you can choose the date, starting date of your campaign, when you actually want to start your campaign should start, and here you can choose the time range between 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. when your audience. It's totally depend on you actually choosing the time range when you're actually choosing your prospect. Find the time actually when your prospect are hyperactive. So choose the time based on your prospect, and here it is, you can choose your time zone too. So I'm gonna continue with what default it is, as just I'm gonna show you how you can choose the right time. You can edit, you can add right time based on your prospect, you can do whatever you want, and you can choose the right day here. So it's that simple. You can totally customize the time, date, time zone, and the time range when your prospect is ready to reply your email. So it's that simple, and if you are doing such thing manually, just forget about it and automated your all the things with Doplac. Don't forget to check out all the features Doplac.com at this moment featuring. It's completely free until June 1st, 2024. And it's all for today. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you have any question or feedback, leave them in the comment below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.